Oppo Find X2 Pro chip of the Oppo family that has just been launched at the March 6 event in Barcelona. Equipment possesses high-end complete appearance, the world's leading camera cluster and powerful configuration flagship standard 2020. No longer retaining the slider camera design, the Find X2 Pro's front camera has been inserted into a small notch on the screen. Overall, the machine is not too different from the rest of the smartphone world. However, Oppo has refreshed by using ceramic material to make the back, and there is also a finished leather version. The front of the glass is also slightly bent, making the two edges of the machine feel thinner. The overall machine is more seamless and sexy. The highlight on the back of Oppo Find X2 Pro is a vertical camera cluster with 3 lenses and a flash aligned. Oppo equips the Find X2 Pro with a large 6.7-inch screen, 2K plus resolution, frame rates up to 120 Hz. Users can customize between 60 Hz mode to save battery, or 120 Hz to enjoy all swipes, touch, gaming or super smooth. Oppo Find X2 Pro is also equipped with the UltraVision engine feature, which enhances the frame rate to 60 Hz or 120 Hz to take advantage of the screen of the device. While this idea is great in theory, most applications such as watching videos are viewed at the original frame rate. This is useful for more games. X2 Pro owns a 3-camera cluster with a 48MP main sensor from Sony. The large 1.44-inch sensor size produces good image quality in both bright and low light conditions. It also has a 48MP zoom lens with up to 10x optical, digital zoom and up to 60MP digital zoom. Both of the two most important lenses have a very wide dynamic range, and colors and details are very well reproduced. Finally, the 12MP wide-angle lens gives good quality. The corners of the image are not much distorted when shooting. The front is a 32MP selfie camera with AI-optimized technology for beautiful portrait photos that do not need to be edited. Oppo Find X2 Pro has a configuration that can be said to be a monster, comparable to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. While there is no space zoom 100x and a 5000 mAh battery like the S20 Ultra, the Find X2 Pro still has many very competitive points. The configuration combo of Oppo Find X2 Pro includes Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chip, 12GB RAM, 512GB UFS 3.0 large capacity internal memory. This configuration ensures on all available applications on the CH Play Store. Even maintain his performance for at least 2 more years. It is equipped with a large capacity battery of 4260 mAh and 65 watts super fast charging technology. Ensure long-lasting use and save maximum charging time. Oppo is confident that the fast charging technology on Find X2 Pro can charge from 0 to 100% in just 38 minutes. When charging starts at 2% capacity and after half an hour the battery capacity has reached 90%, too fast too dangerous, too fast too dangerous. The new product from Oppo has a QHD Plus screen of 120Hz and it seems that Oppo wants to turn this device into a smartphone with the best screen today. This monitor has an extremely high brightness of up to 1200 nits, colors are reproduced accurately, it can only be said that this screen is very good quality. Users have the ability to change the resolution and refresh rate. Users have the option of using both a 120Hz screen refresh rate and QHD Plus resolution at the same time. The ColorOS 7.1 user interface is also more improved than previous versions of ColorOS. It feels like this version is more suitable for European users. The interface has an app drawer, uses keyboard as the default keyboard and is more customizable than the old version. Oppo Find X2 Pro has 2 versions including ceramic and leather. The skin color version makes the user more excited, making many people think of the Moto X. The Find X2 Pro skin color is orange, palpable, quite smooth, though not as beautiful as the real leather, but still exuding elegance. If you don't want to choose the leather version, you can choose the ceramic version. Even the Oppo Find X2 version on the back of the glass is fine. In addition, there is Oppo logo on the bottom of the smartphone. It only sticks out a little, adorned with yellow borders around to indicate that this is a high-end device. Oppo Find X2 Pro is a refined smartphone. This product has the advantage of good display quality, high-end finishing, and much improved user interface. The performance of the product is strong when it comes to the Snapdragon 865 processor, quality camera plus the Buffalo battery that supports ultra-fast charging speed, making this a very formidable opponent. Do you think Oppo Find X2 Pro is enough to be the successor to Oppo Find X? Thanks for watching guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.